Good morning, everyone. The Crescent School Junior Creative Writing Dialogue. Hello, how are you? Sarah asked. I'm fine, just a little tired, Ali replied. Now, what is a dialogue? A dialogue is a conversation between two or more people that exchange ideas and opinions about something. Now, what is the purpose of writing a dialogue? Dialogue makes a story more interesting. It can reveal what a character thinks or feels. It also shows the personality of a character. Rules for writing dialogue. Number 1. When writing a dialogue, always start from a new line each time the person speaking changes. Number 2. Begin the first word of the spoken part with a capital letter and end it with a full stop or question mark. Number 3. Use other words besides said to show exactly how the character feels or how they say something. For example, the words are given below: shouted, whispered, suggested, commented, laughed, corrected, questioned, cried. Number 5. Be careful not to overuse dialogues. Now, here is a sample of dialogue writing for you. Linda, your book bag is very cute, Jane. Jane, thank you. I like it too. My mother likes to give me cute things. Linda, my mother likes to give me cute things too. Jane, I know. Your dress is very cute. Linda, thank you. I like it too. Now let's watch a video. Now, students, always before writing a dialogue or any creative writing, you should make a mind map. For example, how do you start a dialogue? Always start with greetings like, hello, how are you? In an answer, you can write, hi, I am fine. Number 2, discuss the topic that has been given to you. Like, for example, the topic has been given to you on Eid. You can say, how was your Eid? Oh, it was great. We had lot of fun. Number 3, talk about at least 3 things about the topic that has been given to you. It can be one good thing or one bad thing. Number 4, say goodbye, take care, see you, convey regards to family members, etc. at the end of the dialogue. Number 5, you have to write 10 dialogues, each character 5 dialogue turn-wise. The assignment for writing a dialogue will be given to you in your next lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.